Boom. Out here. Wagwan.
Yo, yo, yo.
It's your boy Young Jag. Out here in Salem. We're in the junkyard. We found
SI batch.
Oh, we got it off. Gonna put that on my coupe. We found a hatchback. And I'm just right now grabbing this from my coupe. I bought the car and it never had this, so finally I have it. This
Hell yeah.
This is the haul. We have a nice new fender, so I won't have any more dented up passenger side. Beautiful. Got a valve cover. Very dirty. Very nice. Then I got this. And we got a gas cap. Official. So, not bad. This car is cool. I'm gonna ask about the back end because this is for the project. Just gotta cut the back off. Kind of like right here, you can see the lines. It's a little rusty. This side over here, it has a dent. Might be able to pop that out once it's all cut off. Make it straight. I think this is it though. I could see it now. 4-door hatch. It's clean. There's no rust on the inside. It's already purple tinted, so it looks really cool. It's a little weird with the paint, but not bad. Beautiful day out here in the junkyard. I forgot the vlog this whole time. We took the fender off. This fender would be cool to take, but the bottom is rusted out. Kind of not worth it then. And they don't have any 4-doors. They only have the coupe and the hatch. They must have got rid of like a bunch of them because last time we came they had 10. And now they have like 2. Yeah.
But
so,
to be fair, that black one is really clean and that wasn't there.
yeah, that's cool to check out. We took the valve cover off that one. I might take this one since we came out here, because I need all the valve covers in the whole world. And that one has the tails, which is really nice. But yeah, no doors. They want $100 each door though, so I don't even think that'd be worth it, to be honest. That's like a lot of money. $100 each door. I need 3 doors. It'd be $300. I don't even need the door cards. I just need the doors and like 1 door handle. So yeah, I'm Young Jag out here with Salem at the junkyard. Peace out. Boom. We found a crashed Del Sol. This shit cooked. I've never seen the interior. I didn't know they had a weed smoking station back here. They got 2 cubbies and then a little roll-up tray with this. That's dope. But it has this right here. I doubt it'll be the same, but let's see if this fuse cover is the same for my Civic, my coupe. Oh shit, taking that one too.
Honda motor go.
Honda motor go, let's go. Yeah, this thing was clean. Sucks someone crashed it. Del Sols are like actually really cool cars to see on the road. When you see one out, you always be like, that little Del Sol though. They're so small. So sad. Tons of rice farm, straight tandoori. We got the fender ting. So clean, so fresh. Oh my gosh. Who?
Your cat.
Where is he?
Over here. Right there by the door.
Oh, he's over there. Dun, dun, dun. That's Mr. Waffles. Yo, we got the new fender. As you see.
Fresh.
Fresh. 97.
Shitty.
Boom. You see that?
Brand new. You see the difference?
Yeah, you slap it on, you put it on over, just like that. And boom. Just like that. The body lines are a bit atrocious, but I just realized that this headlight's broken. Nice. I got clear ones that I could slap on here. I like the HID black ones, but nah. If that's broken, I'll just have to replace them. No dents, a lot better than this. That was beat. Nice and fresh. Matches. Yeah, I need to. I'm just gonna take the whole front end apart though and clean the engine soon. So catch me doing that soon. Good stuff. Dun, dun, dun. Man, it looks like it really should. The clip's just not working. It's not the right size. It's from a Del Sol, so I guess that's a no-go. Del Sol one. But after 2 years of owning this car, maybe 3, finally. I just cleaned all the panels once again, brushed them real good. Time to put this interior back together. It's a shame the junkyard had no 4 doors. These rear doors need replacing. What is this dent right here? E. At least the inside will be clean though. Already looking way better. Also, I'm gonna clean this engine bay. Oh, there's my shadow. Well, let's go. Boom, got it. Keep that right there. Got it. Okay, got the vacuum thing. You see these guys? No more. Oh, so good. This is taking some real effort to scrub this stuff off. I've already brushed it down once and it's just might need some wax on it or something. Shine it up. It's mad dull. We'll see this time though. Got this new brush. Look at it. Oh my gosh, so big. You see this? What the heck? That's the fender that came with the car. Boom! New fender on it. Unclapped.